we've been focusing on World War II, and so you started to look at some key leaders and what eventually led to the start of World War II. Today, we're going to dive a little bit more into the United States specifically and look at why they entered World War II. But first, we have to start with why did they stay out of it, and you're going to see some reasons similar to why they stayed out of World War I. And then you're going to actually find out what pushed the United States into the war. To do that, you're going to go to Schoology. You're going to upload the document called U.S. Enters World War II into your learning work, and then you're going to read Lesson 29, Section 2, either on your online textbook or in the reading section found in the first folder in Schoology. And then you're going to watch this 6-minute video on Pearl Harbor and answer the questions from this first document you uploaded. What the document looks like. So the first thing you're going to do is define isolationism. Then you're going to answer why the United States did not enter the war right away. How did they still support countries fighting even though they weren't officially in the war? What happened with Japan in bombing Pearl Harbor? And then you're going to watch the video and put down 5 details of things that happened at Pearl Harbor. As always, if you have questions, you can talk to me in class, send me a Schoology message, or set up a WebEx meet.